Beria College GSBNT, teacher Haris Khan, subject mathematics, class metric federal board, chapter theory of quadratic equation, topic roots and coefficient in quadratic equation, sum of the roots and product of the root. Lecture 14, exercise 2.4. Objective: in this unit, students will be able to identify coefficient of the quadratic equation, find and simplify the sum of the roots, find and simplify the product of the roots. Exercise 2.4. If alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, then evaluate alpha square plus beta square solution. Alpha square plus beta square, find the value of the alpha square and beta square. X square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to p and c is equal to q as comparing to the standard quadratic equation. As alpha beta are the roots of the given equation, alpha sum of the roots, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Putting the value of a, b and c in equations, sum of root and product of root, p upon 1 and q upon 1, that is values minus p and q. Now alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Putting the value in the equation, minus p square minus 2q, p square minus 2q is the value of the alpha square plus beta square. Alpha cube b plus alpha beta cube solution. Alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Here comparing the equation of the standard quadratic equation, a is equal to the 1 coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of the x and c is the constant term. As alpha beta be the roots of the given equations, alpha then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is the formula of the sum of the roots and alpha beta is equal to c upon a is the product of the root formula. Putting the value in the a, b and c in the equations, alpha sum of root and product of root, then get the value minus q minus p and q. Alpha sum of the root is the minus p and sum of the product of the root is q. Alpha cube plus beta cube is the formula is alpha beta alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Common by this alpha square plus beta square put as alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Then get the values. Putting the value alpha beta is equal to the q, alpha plus beta is equal to minus p and alpha beta is equal to q. Then get the values, q is equal to p square minus 2q is the product form. Alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha is third question. X square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to p and c is equal to q as a procedure. As alpha beta be the roots of the equations, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Putting the values in the equation, p and 1. Then alpha beta is the formula of the product c upon a. Putting the values in, c is equal to q and a is equal to 1, then get the values. Alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, taking LCM, then get the value, cross multiply alpha is alpha square and beta is a beta square, alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is the formula is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Putting the values of the alpha plus beta is equal to the minus p 2 q upon q. Then get value 1 over q is equal to p square minus 2q. Question number 2. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equations, 4x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to, then find the value of alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha. Question number 4. Question number 2 part 4 solutions. 4x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is the given equations. Here a is equal to the b, a is equal to the 4 and b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to c 6. As alpha beta be the roots of the given equations, sum of the roots formula is minus b upon a, minus b value is minus 5 and a value is 4, and alpha beta c upon a, c value is 6 and 4, 3 2s are 6, 1 2 2s are 4, 5 upon 4 and 3 by 2. Alpha square plus beta square upon alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha, taking LCM, then alpha cube plus beta cube upon alpha beta. The formula of alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. Putting the values in the equations, 5 by 4 is the alpha plus beta values minus 3, alpha beta value is 3 by 2 and alpha plus beta 5 by 4, and alpha beta is values 3 by 2. 5 cube is 125, 4 cube is 64 and 25 by 8. Then get the values, 3 by 2, then they get the value 125 minus 360 by 64, multiply 2 by 3, 235 2 by 3 and 235 by minus 96 after simplification. Class Matrix Federal Board homework chapter number 2 2.4 to complete remaining parts of 2.4 and also practice of also learning topic formation of the quadratic